Hello makers, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Melly and today I have another great quilt block to share with you. So who loves going on road trips? Well, Bonnie Christine's brand new collection for AGF called The Open Road is all about her adventure traveling in her vintage camper, savoring the joy of taking the slow way and all that nature has to offer. I couldn't resist using this adorable animal print for the center of my block. Choose from a deer, fox, bunny, or bear. I decided to fussy cut the deer for the center of my impression quilt block. Keep watching for the step-by-step instructions to create this block, and for the details on this super cute dress that I'm wearing, stay tuned to the end of the video. Now let's get busy sewing, and I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. Draw diagonal lines from corner to corner on the wrong side of your 4.5-inch squares from fabric D with a fabric marking pen. Place 2 of your squares on opposite corners of your fussy cut 8.5-inch square from fabric A, right sides together. Sew on the line you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch, and repeat this same process on the other corners of your square. Next, take your 2.5-inch squares from fabric E, and draw diagonal lines with a fabric marking pen from corner to corner. Place your squares in all 4 corners of your center unit. Sew right sides together on the line you drew, and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. To make your flying geese, we'll be using the corner square triangle method. Draw diagonal lines on your 2.5-inch squares from fabric F on the wrong side of the fabric. Place a square on each corner of your 2.5 by 4.5-inch strips from fabric B. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Press open and repeat the same process on the other corner of your strip. Take a 6.5-inch square from fabric F and draw diagonal lines with the fabric marking pen on both diagonals. Place right sides together to a 6.5-inch square from fabric C. On each side of the line you drew, sew at 1/4 inch. Cut your piece on both diagonals, and then cut your piece vertically and horizontally in half to reveal your half-square triangles. Trim your half-square triangles to 2.5 inches. To create your side rows, sew 2 half-square triangles to a flying geese. Create 2 of these units and sew them to the sides of your center unit. To create your top and bottom rows, sew 2 more units just like we did our side rows. Then sew a 2.5-inch square from fabric C to each end. Sew your top and bottom rows to the top and bottom of your center block, and your impression block is complete. Your impression block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our impression block is complete, and I'm loving the soft and calming effect this block has. I think it would make a great relaxing quilt. Okay, so let's talk about my dress. You guys, I have fallen in love with this pattern by Berta Style called the Smocked Waistline Dress. It is absolutely the perfect summer dress. I'll make sure to leave a link to this dress in the description box below. But for more fun sewing projects made with open road fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. The link will be in the description box below. Like always, thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing!